Yo, this is TTP Garage. I'm going to show you how to take this old air compressor and turn it into something else. So stay tuned. Alright guys, so check this out. This is an old air compressor that I got this for 50 bucks. And the motor doesn't work, but that's alright. We don't need that. So get that out of the way. And all we need is a tank. We're going to convert this to something else. So I flipped the tank upside down. And as you can see here, I got lucky with this tank because it's all threaded into the tank. And then this size is like a half-inch. There's a half-inch elbow here, so the threads were the exact same. I believe it's pipe thread. And I also got lucky as well because I got this hose from Harbor Freight. This is half-inch air hose, and the fitting is able to thread right onto the elbow. So this made for like a really easy installation. Now, I don't know if this is going to be too long where it hits the bottom. If that's the case, then I would just have to drill another hole here. This way I can make the tires a lot taller and still have ground clearance. So, alright, let me flip it on its side and show you what I'm going to do to the rest of it. So I went ahead anyways and just drilled new holes for the wheels, so this way I'll have more clearance for the elbow on the ground. So let me flip this again and check this out. Alright, now that's back on its wheels, seems like we have plenty enough clearance. Worst case scenario, maybe I can somehow put maybe bigger pucks, rubber pucks on that brakes or whatever, but we'll see what happens. I can also change all the wheels. Maybe I'll put some pneumatic wheels on it, maybe something bigger, but it seems like I have plenty enough clearance. Alright, so at the end of the hose I attached SandBlaster nozzle, which is a perfect size, half-inch hose, and now I can sandblast big parts that I can't do with my Harbor Freight cabinet. So if I have any big parts, I can sandblast outside, just put a tarp and everything, and go to town. So just to try this out, test it, let's see if we can do some sandblasting on the fire pit there. Alright guys, so I got everything hooked up. I had to shorten the hose, it was too long. So this is the amount of hose I have right now. And guys, this works. Check it out. So I can't test it on that long because this thing is just literally just pelting me with black beauty. So but yeah guys, it works. So pretty excited about it. Now I got a SandBlaster. Yeah.